Hello children, now welcome to the Rashmi Singh's class. Today we are going to complete the chapter Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes, the third part. First two parts we have finished, in which we have covered globe, what is globe, latitudes, what are latitudes, and heat zones means the three heat zones which are the responsible by the latitudes, and what are longitudes and locating places on the globe. In this session we are going to cover the longitude and time, local time, and why do we have the standard meridian. Clear? Now, what is relation between the longitude and time? So, how many longitudes we have on the globe? We have done in the previous session. So, we have 360 degrees meridians on the globe. Clear? And these 360 meridians, they complete one spin in 24 hours. 24 hours means the earth complete one spin in 24 hours, and all 360 degree covered in 24 hours. Clear? Now look at the board. When 24 hours we complete 360 degree meridian, then in 1 hour how many meridians we complete? 360 upon 24 is equal to 15 degree. It means in 1 hour we will complete 15 degree. Clear to everyone? Now look at the board. This is prime meridian. Clear? And this is 15 degree longitude, eastern side. This is eastern hemisphere, this is western hemisphere. This is 30 degree and this is 45 degree. So what, suppose the time meridian's time is 12 noon. 12 noon is on prime meridian, then what would be the time on the 15 degree east? East means when we are moving towards the east, we have to add the time. Clear? So what would be the time? Means 1 p.m. And what would be the time on the 30 degree east? 2 p.m. Now take the example of western side. 15 degree, 13 degree, and this is 45 degree. So what would be the time on the 45 degree? Now calculate. 15 degree west, 11 am, correct. And 30 degree west, 10 am. And 45 degree west is 9 am. We are subtracting the time because we are moving towards the western hemisphere. Clear to everyone? So in this way we will calculate the time. Now come to the local time. What is local time? Every meridian has its own time. Every meridian has its own time. This is 0 degree, this is 1 degree, this is 2 degree, and this meridian has its own time. So this own time is known as its local time. Clear? तो कैसे पता करेंगे हम? ठीक है? 15 degree we complete in 60 minutes. ठीक है? 1 घंटे में कंप्लीट करते हैं, हमने मिनट्स में लिख दिया. ठीक है? Then 1 degree we complete in 60 upon 50 is equal to 4 minutes. Clear? 4 minutes. So what is the time duration between the two meridian? Is 4 minutes. Suppose here the time is 12 noon. तो So what would be the local time of the first degree meridian? Means we'll add the time, then 4 past 12. Very good. And the second meridian 8 past 12. And when we move towards the western hemisphere, then we'll subtract. So what would be the time on the first degree western hemisphere? So time will be, what would be the time? 4 to 12. And the second meridian 8 to 12. And this 4 to 12, 8 to 12 and 4 past 12, these are the local time of these meridians. This is known as the local time. Clear? Which each and every meridian observes. Clear to everyone? Good. Now, why do we have the standard meridian? It's very important. In India, we have the standard meridian. Now look at the board. This is India. And the extent of India from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. अरुणाचल प्रदेश, तो इनका जो है 98.7 डिग्री ईस्ट और यहाँ पे आता है सॉरी दिस इज 68 and 97.25 degree east. Clear? Almost 30 degree meridians we have in India. Clear? It means 15 degree में आपका कितना आ जाता है 1 hour and 30 degree 2 hour. It means there is a 2 hour difference between the Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Suppose the time in Arunachal Pradesh is 10 a.m. So what would be the time in the Gujarat? Because now we are moving toward the west, so we have to subtract. यहाँ पे गुजरात में क्या टाइम होगा 8 a.m. So it creates a lot of confusion for the people who are living in this country. Clear to everyone? That's why we have taken the one meridian which passes through the Mirzapur near Allahabad, and this meridian is on 82 degree half degree east. The local time of this meridian is observed as a time for the entire India to avoid the confusion. That's why it's very important we have to take a standard meridian of India, and the local time of this meridian is observed as a time for the entire India. That's why it's so important, because it creates a lot of problem. ट्रेन टाइमिंग्स में डिफरेंट हो जाएगा आपका, यहाँ से ट्रेन चल रही है 8 बजे तो वहां पे उस समय 10 बज रहे होंगे. फ्लाइट टाइमिंग्स में प्रॉब्लम होगी, बैंकिंग में प्रॉब्लम होगी. तो अवॉइड ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ कंफ्यूजन, we'll take one meridian. Clear to everyone? Now beta, in this sense we have complete this chapter. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ चीज नहीं समझ में आई है, then you tell me, I'll explain it again. From my side I have completed the chapter. अगर आपको समझ में आया है, then you like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon also. Thank you.